Hi, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to reveal the fourth I in team from the book, The I in Team. And the fourth I in team is intuition. Intuition, that ability to connect the dots, so to speak, to read between the lines. And I'll share with you a little bit more about just what that means. But let me start with a quote in the book from Albert Einstein. And Einstein said this, he said, "The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift." Think about this. Turning facts and data into useful information cannot be done without intuition. We have to exercise the right side of our brain to optimize the value of the left side. We have to ask why in addition to who, what, where, how, and when. This combination of gifts is what leads us to aha moments. It's what helps us connect the dots. Intuition is what gives context to content and keeps teams from getting trapped in trivial weeds. It is what distinguishes mental intellect from emotional intelligence. It is what breeds wisdom. We use intuition to see patterns, read between the lines, and link tactics with strategy. High-performing teams exercise intuition to adjust quickly to unplanned events and unexpected circumstances. We cannot anticipate everything, and we can never have all of the facts. At some point, we have to trust our instincts and go with our gut. This gut feel is a form of intuitive guidance. It is a gift to be appreciated, respected, and shared. You know, as a business consultant, I get hired all the time for my intuitive capacity, so to speak. I've taken numerous personality profile instruments, for example, the Myers-Briggs type indicator, and I'm off the chart on the intuitive side. Now, for me, that means I've had to really learn and pay attention to the left brain, the facts, the details, the how, the when, the who, the structure. But the why and that ability to connect the dots strategically is why I'm frequently brought in. We have all kinds of data. We can be data rich, so to speak, and information poor. Data without meaning is worthless, and collecting data without knowing what to do with it is a form of waste. So it is the intuitive mind that we have to tap to bring about genius, to bring about true emotional intelligence, all right? Not just logic and data and rationale. So it takes both the left brain and the right brain to reach those peak levels of performance as a team. So make sure you pay attention to intuition, that annoying question that kids sometimes ask. Why? All right? Think about the tool, the 5 whys, that's used so now often today. Very intuitive process to dig down to the 5th level of why to find the true root causes to systems problems. But that's a practice of genius. All right, so at the end of the chapter, we finish with at a glance. At a glance, intuition is our 6th sense. Intuition is our ability to think creatively and to see the big picture. Intuition links tactics with strategy, and great team leaders use intuition to focus on what really matters. And then the team exercise in this chapter is give your team a brain teaser to play with and challenge intuition. And I give an example of that. But give your team something they cannot solve, a riddle, a brain teaser, a problem they cannot solve with facts and data and left brain alone, something that you've got to think outside the box. It's a great way to challenge intuition and to challenge assumptions and to challenge paradigms. All right, because we all live in a world of paradigms and assumptions, and it's the intuitive nature that we all have. It's a capacity we all have in the right brain for those aha moments. So practice intuition. and come back for more. Thank you. I'll see you again.